Hi everybody, it's Material Girl 338. I'm making a quick, easy, deep dish pizza. I have my big pot, right, my big frying pan, and you brush the dough with a little bit of oil, and then you cook it on very, very, very low. See how low I got it? Okay, so you brush, not too much oil, and this is what I have here. Right here I have the Assaggio cheese mozzarella, and I have some cheddar mixed in here. And what else? Oh, I got the pastosa. This is the pastosa. I buy it. If you have a pastosa near you, it's a ravioli store. It's an Italian bookstore. But if you have one, ask them, buy their mozzarella. This is the part skim mozzarella. I love it. I buy the whole log, and then I cut it up. And then, when I make pizza, I have it. Okay, so I have some seasonings here. I have my Pecorino Romano cheese. And then over here I got my fresh basil from my garden. And this is fresh oregano. Okay, so this is getting ready to turn. I'm going to turn it again. So when you turn it, it's best to then, as soon as you turn it, put the mozzarella on, okay? So, of course, I'm working with one hand. So you want it like this. Okay, I want to get the other side warm again. Don't put too much oil. I use avocado oil because it's got a good, high smoking point. And then, of course, I have my sauce. Sorry guys. So I made some sauce, some fresh marinara sauce. This is very easy to make. You watch my videos. I have a video on how I make my sauce. You just saute extra virgin olive oil, onions. Saute the onions so they get nice and golden, like a light color gold. I mince like 2 garlic. And then I cook it. I add water to the tomatoes. These are Cento tomatoes. They're San Marziano tomatoes. I normally use my own, that I can during the summertime. But I want to try these because people are raving about it. And then I put some basil. No oregano. I've been watching some videos and some people are putting oregano in it. If you put oregano, you kill the flavor of the sauce. Okay? So I'm going to turn this over again. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try to do this with one hand. Sprinkle your mozzarella. And when it's hot, this is the best thing to do if you want pizza. Instead of putting your oven on and then making the house hot. If you live near Pastosa, you really got to try this cheese. It is so delicious. It's got such a unique flavor to it. And I move it all the way over because I want this cheese to melt. I may have to put you on hold. I have to shred this because it's kind of thick. Okay, everybody. Hi, everybody. It's Material Girl 338. I started to make the video, but then I put it on pause, and I don't know if I continued it, and you're just staring at the wall. So, I have pizza here in the pan. See? Very big pan. And you just brush a little bit of oil. I don't use olive oil when I do this. I use the avocado oil because it has a high smoking point. And then I, shred up my cheese. Now in this pizza, I have 3 different kinds of cheese. I got Assaggio, I got mozzarella, and I put some cheddar cheese in there. And I use the Kerrygold cheddar. I made some fresh marinara sauce today. And my sauce is delicious. These are San Marzano tomatoes. And of course I got some fresh basil. And I put a little bit of Pecorino Romano cheese on there. And I have some fresh oregano. I put a little bit, little bit, because it's very strong. And then I have my basilico over here. And that's it. I'm just waiting for it to, hold on a second. I gotta check the bottom of it. I'm just waiting for it to cook on the bottom. See, I don't know if you can see, yeah. So it's looking good. But I want all the top cheese to melt. So in this process, when you do it this way, brush a little bit of avocado oil on the pan, heat it up very, very slow and low. Okay, I have it on very, very low. You can see it. And then you do one side, get it nice and gold, turn it over, let the other side get nice and gold. And then when you turn it over again, you may have to turn it over a couple times. And then, you press down so that the dough gets cooked, right? And then you put your cheese on it and your sauce. And I don't put too much ingredients. It tastes better when you have like less ingredients on it. But these are all fresh. The basil's fresh, the Pecorino Romano, the mozzarella, and the San Marzano. Okay? All right. Okay, everybody, it's done. It looks delicious. It is delicious. And underneath, I can't turn it over. I'll drop it, and then I'll fry it. Okay? So it's really easy. It takes about 25 minutes from start to finish. And if you make it, leave a comment below and tell me how it came out. Bye.